Dimensions: 36 by 1.5 x 36 inches. Proudly made in USA. Our stretched canvas is created with only the highest standards. We print with high-quality inks and canvas, and then hand-cut and stretch it over a 1.5-inch thick wooden frame. Ready to hang, no installation or hardware needed. Design by Amanda Greenwood. Proudly made in the USA, our stretched canvas is created with only the highest standards. We print with high-quality inks and canvas, and then hand-cut and stretch it over a 1.5-inch thick wooden frame. The art comes ready to hang with no installation required. Framed Giclée. Our Giclée prints are carefully mounted on a durable MDF backing, and then perfectly finished in a 1.5-inch thick woodgrain frame. Frame colors include black, gray farmhouse and white. Stretched canvas. Our stretched canvas is created with only the highest standards. We use only the highest quality inks and canvas on our in-house Mamaki printers, and then hand-cut and stretch each piece over a 1.5-inch thick wooden frame for hanging. Wood plaque. All of our wall plaques start off as high-quality lithograph prints that are then mounted on durable 0.5-inch thick MDF wood. Each piece is hand-finished and comes with a fresh layer of foil on the sides to give it a crisp, clean look. Top reviews from the United States. Lovely. What a pretty picture. I love it. It fit just as I thought it would. I hung it in my renovated bathroom. I love, love, love it.